these beach structures, you will consistently catch and improve your surf fishing odds. Trust me, surf fishing isn't as easy as many people say. One cannot simply cast into the surf and expect a decent fish. That is basically fishing blindfolded. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helps you land your next biggest fish. Like, share this video. Also, follow me on social media such as Instagram or Facebook, alright? Links will be in the description. That's it. Appreciate it, y'all.
I hope it's not a little shark, man. I want to rip.